Should make it. There we go. Aha. I am now live. Just a second. Oops, forgot. Him, 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 him. He kind of like open it in a second. Like, bam, bam. That should, yep, pop out here too. Okay, good. Instead of that, we can pop it out here. Oh, come on now, don't. Why can't I make it small? You've got to be kidding me. I hate you. I guess I can just put it in this one and swap out this one. So, is it this? Yeah, this. Oh, whoops, it's this one. Up, whoop, and this one. So, I can't make it smaller. Okay. So, can you hear me? Do I need it to be louder or no? So, louder, louder, low. Okay. Nice. Good. So, yeah. There we go. So, like, my focus right now would be just to debug some stuff and fix some stuff too. So, like, here, this one. No, not that default. Not the default. So, same for catch. Yeah, it is my own programming language. You can look at the GitHub page. Like, yeah. Yep, there's the website. There. There's the website. Check it if you want. It's my own programming language. The documentation is a little bit lacking though, so I'll have to update that. Actually, I'll do it right now. It's my own programming language I've developed for well over a year now, like a year in a month. It has taken lots of debugging and stuff. Git run. HTTPS. GitHub. No, github.com/ ren regito tayo. Ren regito rayo .github.io. I'll have to update the why did I I guess no, I'm just gonna do this. Wait, I forgot I have terminals. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Like is there like a control shift, control alt key? No, I installed the wrong. I made it in Python and experience. Well, when I made this programming language, it's not my first programming language, but it's the best one that I've made so far. Right now I have like 5 years of experience in Python under my belt, and I am 16 years old. So I started when I was around 11 to 10 years old. So I was bored in the pandemic. Programming was the only thing I can do. So C++ would definitely be hard to implement in, especially because DPL relies on Python objects like heavily. Like it doesn't abstract the Python objects that much. Like as you can see, we even use Python classes. No doubt I'll be able to, part some of this into C++ for speed. Thanks. It's definitely there is a ton of yelling and cursing, involved in this project of mine. Basically, it's my magnum opus as of the moment. It's the best iteration of a programming language I have. Actually, I have this old one right here. Like this August. Why did I? Let me just adjust it back. I have like another old programming language right here in desktop. Obviously, is it this one? So like, yeah, most of my programming languages were very, very lazy. No tokenization, no parsing, just splitting stuff around. Well, DPL still does that. Like you can see it here in the process function. It's literally just splitting like here in like group. So like if I wait, is it the group? Like nice. Where is it? Line steps. So actually it starts here. So it is group, which it's in arguments. Group. Yep, here it is. So it just processes the line into like um, different tokens. Well, not really tokens, it's still a list of strings. And it does, where's the conversion? No, there's no conversion happening here yet. It's in pre-runtime, expert pre-runtime. That's when, yeah, this is where the type conversions happen. Um, I really don't like Visual Studio. I did use it like back then for Python, especially I even tried the JetBrains IDE. What was it called again? I forgot what the editor was called. It was Spy something. But yeah, it was too hard for me to set up. Basically, it's overkill for this. Still a very very small project for me. There's like only 7,000 lines of code involved. It's not that big, so I can still handle it. Plus, Sublime Text is much more easier to customize, especially making your own syntax highlighter. All you need to do is learn regex and some of the syntax. It uses YAML to configure that. And it's very, as you can see, this is some DPL code, and as you can see, it's highlighted. So I don't need to write a VS Code extension to 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 make a custom syntax highlighter. So yeah. Plus, I mostly use Vim, and on my phone I use an app called PyDroid. So yeah, this is Android compatible as well. I've tried it on Windows, Linux, and Android. I haven't tried it on Mac OS. I might install a VM. And why is this not working? That's weird. Oh, okay, but I need to learn to make my own language. I know C++. So, if you're using NeoVim, I highly suggest for you to try Vim first. NeoVim is, well, I guess if you already know NeoVim, there's nothing stopping you from using that. What the hell is wrong with my, let me just, so, things to learn for your programming, it's basically how to process strings so good that you can infer some context with it. So like, yeah, here in Python, here's some arguments. Really, there's some helper functions literally just for detecting what kind of token it is, and then it does that. Most of the conversions happen on runtime. Like for example, like when we detect if it's a variable, it's in runtime, expert runtime. So here, make when you however, wait, let me just fr. This is like this is read. I need to rename some of these functions. Just a second. Var h. So wait, how do I tab? There we go. So we need it to be this read var. So since some of this, what the hell is this? You don't need this one. That's been deprecated. This should be pre-runtime read var. So control H. Is pf var tab is pre-runtime read var. So the things that you need is basically like string operations, like tons of them. So like like for example, if I were to make a quick C example, with the folder C, so here let's see. So like if I were to make a simple C example, like all you'd need to do is literally just make some helper functions is int. So example, we can take in char star text. So like we can check if it's or what do we need to do? If char star no, text star dereference is equal to, wait, how do you deref it again? Yeah, I actually regret starting in Python because I highly recommend starting with a compiled programming language because it's very confusing to transfer from a interpreted to a compiled language, especially if you're a slow learner. So yeah, Python is very hard. So Asus, so it's a prefix. Okay, so text is equal to like that. So we can not equal to this. We can wait, no, return and text is greater than or equal to 0. No, greater than no, yeah, less than, and text is greater than 9. Return, we need to go include std bool, h. Was it std bool? Let me just check. How to use bools in C. C boolean is one. So std bool. So now actually we need to return bool. So we return false on this one because this means that it's not in the range that we're looking for and is not. Yeah, I don't have my own laptop, but I do have my own phone, of course, and I have some Android apps that I use for programming. Like for C, I use CXX Droid, and it's fine. I like this laptop is mostly used by me, but also by my grandpa. It's not that bad. Plus, DPL again, as I specified earlier to another person, it's a simple language, simple code base. Like I can track anything in the code base. I remember changes easily, like what functions to call and stuff. The only thing that I forget are the parameters though. I am 16 years old. Just turned 16 last June. Else we can just go increment that. For oops, I trust me, programming is not easy. It took me a long time to get it. So Do you also program? And if you do, may I ask what programming language? Statement text. Yeah, installing IntelliSense is definitely hard. Actually, I have like a linter in Sublime Text right now. That's why there's like a bunch of errors, even though it's actually working. Linters are not that smart yet. I do see REST embedded. That's nice. You're 12 and you're already learning Rust. Wow. I know some basics, but I don't know Rust that much yet, and I'm not planning to learn Rust because it's not hard. It's just confusing. Where was I? What? Oh, let's see this one. Let me check if. Oh wait, no. Why did we just no? Actually, instead, use of while loop instead. So while text. So let's iterate until null hit. I'm not allowed to create chunk. Well, that's a bummer. So, have you tried Python yet? Just wondering if text is greater than. Is it just save this? Oh, forgot. We just return false. Return false. Yes, first level is. That's good. I'm actually looking for someone to help me develop DPL, but I haven't like fixed some of the variable names, so it's not that good to read. It is very hard. Still trying, but I got sub. If I randomly disappear, that means my still chilling. I. So you return true for that. So let's try this. So now I'll define a character or token. I'm finally getting viewers. This is like very surprising for me. First stream that actually became very active. So like yeah, I do have Discord. Let me check the name. It's I don't have a server specifically for this channel. I did have one, but I deleted it because of the minimal activity that's happening. It's my handle is that's my handle if you want to talk or something, share ideas. Results. So now here you can go. What is it again? So is int token. And then this is true. So is an int, not an int. So forgot the n and it doesn't return. It's build control shift B. But tools build is I guess it's taking a long time. It's probably control. There it is. So as you can see perks and even for negative numbers. And if I add like a random net is there. What the hell happened? There goes the I know. Wait, not let me double check. My username, yeah, no, it's Renren Yorhito Ayo, but I'm not sure. Not sure if I You know, it is Renren Ayo. I just checked, but I might not be active all the time because, well, it's it's in the middle of it's in the middle of school year. Ah, nice, nice, nice. Also, my Discord. Wait, no, is it working? But I can't just open my Discord randomly. There's some sensitive info on that personal chats. So what happened here? I take care. So So what happened? So if it's greater than 9 and or change this to or da, 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 this put some parentheses for what the hell is wrong with the because there we go, it works, hooray. So it car. So let me just check. A 75, it's copying. I don't know why it's copying, weird. So it's an integer, so we already got the simple like C function for detecting if if it's an integer. So now like an identifier, so char text if text and then we're just gonna do like a check, and here return true, and instead of that we can go A and then Z and then the capital ones. So I don't trust operator prefixing. Just check. We can also include numbers. So yeah, let me just end this. So we can have numbers. I don't ID, not an ID. So as you can see, it's not an ID, but if we let go test 90, there we go. It is an identifier. Also, we can go, yeah. Text is not equal to like an underscore. So now we can have an underscore. So as you can see, it's an ID. The only problem is that we can do this, which is actually invalid in most programming languages, like in Python. So like if I go here, so like if I go that, it raises an error because it supports scientific notation for integers, which is that kind of notation. So like I can go print text, and as you can see, it's a very long number. It's a special thing. So yeah. Now in here, we'll allow it because we're gonna be doing a simple programming language. So like now, I can go here and make a struct that will hold values. So like it's a value, and we're gonna make a union. Oh, no, union. A union. Union. Ah, union. And now I'm gonna name it a value. So in here, I have what would be best. I. So where was I? Ah, yes. Fixing. I should really fix this. So by the way, DPL had some like this part was like a what is it called again? Like a what is it called? Optimizer. Though it really doesn't work that much. I enabled it and disabled it, and it's just actually just slowing down. So I'm just going to go remove that, and it should still work. It's a rare case that's up. Oh, it's a defaults. So we can probably go to, it's not that one, it's this one. So defaults, default, there we go. What? It's default, not that part. There it is. That next match. I see you. So that is weird. I keep getting, there we go. Finally. The problem is, why is that none? Why is that none? What the hell? So we got oh, that's not good. Hmm. Oh no, that's a problem. I will not dwell on this that much. So like, if we can call it like this. But the problem is now it's none. All nuns. What the hell? Diplomas is fill value. Fill value, value is equal to constants. Ants dot nil. What is this? So it's nil now. The only problem is that this, where is it? Should be below this. Deleted. Bam. Same for is this. Yep. Now we can do that here in the catch. Yep. So here we can. Bam. So we can remove this too. So now this should work. There we go. Bam. It works. And for an actual, yeah, hooray. So now we have like default arguments. Now the only problem is that, how do I cancel it? Shit. Finally, like there's some viewers actually. Let's just see how many viewers there are. I am actually very surprised that there are any people watching this. 11 concurrent viewer, 3, so there's currently 1. So, hey! I know who that is. Hello! The car person. Car. I know. Bro. I know. Why can't I? There we go. Okay, so that's what car person. I mean, it's true though. While I can't just say you're my significant other, should I? Should I like? There, you're now a moderator. The moderator. You're now a moderator. Yeah. What is it? What is it? What is it? Bros, surprise. Also, yeah, the Discord thingy. Like, let me just how can I like hide this for a second? So like the Discord, like, oh wait, I can should I like add a invert, invert display. Done. Like so, like invert display. Like, can I like? But oh no, I am low bar switch. Just. Huh? Open source properties. Where is? Why is it not like transform? Performance projector create output projector. This, oh wait, how do I mess around with this? I don't know how to it's not working, bro. What the hell? Oh, I get it now. I get it now. So I can, okay, gotcha. Probably start, oh, that's good, but, yeah. So like, check the screen, but, see, like, oh, there's no, like, what? There you go. There. This. So how can I add source image? Please wait. Add source. I'm not showing. So basically, I can just there. Ah, 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 ah. Kindly wait. Yay! So I can just go. Where is it? To pop. Eh. Control S. Go to Control S. Control S. Uh, desktop. .png. What the hell? What is it? Desktop. Save. There we go. Close that. Close that. No. Browse. Uh, desktop. Ha. There. Done. And now I can just uh, 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 eh, 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 this is. Anyways, now I can just. Not the. Not the. Where's the? It's a. Gotcha. It's. Eh, eh. What? Oh, wait, what? Uh, 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 ah, ah, it's lagging. This one. So like group into four group group. Then I haven't played around with this like at all. Like, can I just yes, finally. So like, can I like add something in here? Like, no, I'll just remove you then. Okay, so I add like image. Like then I uh, uh, it, access. Okay, unload image. Open. Done. So the problem is that there we go. But you're not seeing it anymore, are you? Right? You can't like. Uh, I, why can't I like? Like, can you? Tell me if you're seeing the like. Can you like see the like the kindly wait thing? So now you see the screen, the normal screen. Let me just fix that. Why is it? Why is it? Ah, so it's good now. Now you can see the screen. Now I can show you this one. Can I like? Yeah. So now you can't see that like the other like. I what? So like you can now see the. Can you see the please wait text now, or are you still seeing the normal screen? So you can see that the please kindly wait thing. So cause I'll need this like for like when I'm using like stuff. The only thing I need is like how I can connect this to like a scene done sources. Oh yeah, I like move this to another source. Like uh da, 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 project properties shucks. So I can just hide that, delete that, yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There. So this new scene, can I like rename it? The please wait scene. So now here I can just add an image. Add source. Wait. Add source. Browse. Ha. Done. So why is it small? There. Ah, there we go. Now the only problem is how will I filters? What? Add filter. Huh. Oh. Oh. Filter music. Let me select. What? Well, I know. It's lagging so much. So I am just. Hmm. So what if I switch to this scene? So you can still see my normal screen when I select this other scene, right? Right, right. So hmm. Well, anyways, I should switch it back to the normal screen. So, anyways, da, 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 da. Hmm. So now I should just I. So like can I like damn that's a lot of them. That's a ton of temp. So I can just go to this and go function ob function obj. There you go. And now there. What? That's weird. I'm trying to like do this. So that, and then now, now we can just go, latched names. So that's, so, and then that's it. So we can go, no, scope name, method name, oops, method name, what, me what, what, meep, 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 meep. So object, scope, name that to that, why do we have this? Like I removed this already. Set, you already have that. Okay. I should really fix this because indexing in Python is really slow. So I should make I should do something about that. This one is block. So schema, type checker data schema map. Imagine like someone is watching right now and is just confused as to what we're talking about. Like there's 3 viewers right now, like 3 other viewers. Imagine them just being confused. Ah, what the hell? I guess I can just. Oh no, it's in the. Okay, minimize this and just boop and close that. So like there's 3 concurrent viewers. Like what? Also, I removed this already. What the hell is wrong with Git? Like I am like, what the hell is wrong with WSL2? Like, do I have to reset it or something? Something is definitely wrong with WSL. It's not starting up properly. That's quite concerning. I know. I know that some peeps are watching us, bro. That's just annoying. Why can't you just... Ah, this is so... bam. That was wrong. Let me see. Yes, what is it not? Echo test. Literally not doing anything. What? I hate WSL. Why aren't you? I might have to restart my stream. Well, that's a bummer. Because it's not starting properly, and I just uninstalled my Git on this. If I do Git on my PC, yeah, it's no longer there. I hate also package control. List packages because of terminal. Oh, that's the terminal. The package control like remove see remove package. Oops, what the hell? Oh, here it is. So we're gonna remove terminal package control. Install package. Who? What do you mean who? What? This packages terminality. Read. Where's the mark? That's fun. Where's the freaking read me? Main spot packages. That's yeah. Oh well. That's not how you start a freaking install package terminus. Now this is the one. I hope it is. I hope it is. It will display something. So now here you can go remove package terminology. So it should be like car. So like that's very oh yeah, I have to do that stuff too. Should still work. Yeah. Why is it starting the counter? What the hell? Why is it? That's. Oh, you've got to be. Well, terminus was not installed. Yep. That's. Now, we'll double yourself. Yep, car. Um. We'll double yourself. Finally, like, start to. Oh, you've got to be. Nah, nah. Yeah. Yeah, I have to restart something, I think, because it's not working. It's simply not. Ah, that's max. Yes, 200 gigs should be. Oh no, I can, but 400 is the. For no so files, it's RAM is good memory. Yep. And then probably 2 gigs. So file location, yeah, it's fine. Processor count. If there's 8, we do have 8, so that should be good. File system is okay. Networking okay. Good for yeah. Look back. Oh, nah. What the okay, sure. What? Nah. Developer. Haha. Yes. 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 So custom kernel. What? Custom kernel. What? No way. And there's no way. No, I'm not. No, of course. No, still won't do stuff because I have to restart some stuff. So might be gone. Yeah, that's sad. Also, control the package, list package. Turn yes. How does this work? Those details. Bring a real turn panel showing the installation is started. Show configuration. So my name is out. Ah, that's weird. Okay, so now can you make toggle terminus panel? So preferences key bindings. No, that can't. This again. But bro's just spamming in the chat. Command cancel. Now we should be able to go just like I think I might have to install the package control in discover disable this thermal satisfy upgrade advance um remove package terminus, and we're going to go like reinstall it again. Install package terminus should finish in. Yep, and now we can just go boop boop. No, seven. Wow, that's just wonderful. Wow, I am surprised. Just start that. It does not work at all. Huh, does not work at all. What? What? Huh? 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 Oh, no way, no way. Like, so now I can just. Oh, that's pretty useful. So, like, I can go set this. Let's go to, like, and now I can just go IO, like, input, go name, and then like, go this, and now I can go IO current name is this. Oh, now it doesn't work because it only, yeah, damn you. Maybe is your like your stream on that side like what is the right word like mm, I hate terminus. Oh. So like if I go do this now, if I go do this now, so if I go do this, here I go do this. Under my so I can go test print input test. That's surprising. Well, at least now we got that. Still not that advanced though. I've seen better stuff, but it's a nice in this terminal packaging, external project folder, corresponding, so there's some console, clear console, precision console, JavaScript console, get config, well, let's just handle that for me. Terminus is good enough stuff. So, like, package control, list packages and go back to the terminus. Like, is there like some example, like, shell configuration using a Python, directory, the terminus open. Okay, so it's terminus open. So preferences, key bindings, terminus open. Oh, we already have that. Oh, it's literally just control T. Finally, we have that. Now we just need to configure that. So Preferences, key bindings. Always the current directory. Always navigate. It's not that big of a problem. So create. So file path folder. So file path custom use and country. So where is it? Oh, here it is. There, there. Yes. Can't I like just close this, like choose this one? Why not? There. Why not? Now there's the, and then like I know there's like file this one do edit like selection. What the hell? That's just so I just ah I am brain dead. So I can select this and control. I can damn you. Sorry, let's say after that. Just do that. Terminus open. So um current working directory. Wait, was it? There was like config stuff. So no. Yep. Wait, no, it's args. Okay, so args. Args. This. Whoops. This. That. Whoops. That. Uh, 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 what? What now? Oh, it's because of that. So now here we can go. Boom. Oh, boom. So Control T. Yes, it works. Control T again. Oh, okay. Now that works. So now we need like custom stuff for Python. So like Control T, Control Shift plus T. Will open terminus with a Python console cmd Python, and we can go Control Shift D. You say like the Control Shift D. You can just check. Yeah. F CTRL plus Shift plus D. That's okay. So there's no okay. Gotcha. Good. Good. So boom. So Shift D. So instead of Python, it's gonna be DPL. Like now, I can just go to this and go DPL. Damn you! I have to add that to this path, but probably because I can just go. Like I can just open. Not that one. This one. Open. DPL and DPL by Control Shift C. Now I shoot. So now I have yep Z. Where is it? There it is. Boom. Now I'll have to like double escape some stuff. Now we can just do this. It's taking a long time. It's not working. Yeah, it's definitely not working. But if you go with this, Shift T is not working as well. Weird. Show Shift T. So can have Python 3. Let's try that one. No, they did not work either. Now that's a bummer. So I guess we will skip that for now and get this working. So what happened here? So CMD is this. So let me check this again. So yeah, there's that CMD. I guess it needs to be like yeah. Caption, complication, title, title. Oh yes, we have. Oh, we can put title. Title. Video console. So control 50. It's still the same. So maybe caption. It's no longer working anymore. So is it supposed to be in here? Oops. Then what is it? What is it? Look at what? When I what? Huh? Eh? Oh, side view. Gotcha. I mean, it is 9:12 p.m. in the Philippines right now, and oh boy, am I super sleepy. But it's fine. It's fine. We're alive. We're alive. And that's enough. Was zum Teufel? Windows, was zum Teufel? Now this one will work. Wow, it's Python. Always Python. Yeah, that doesn't work. Oh no. Yes, so skip. What the hell? Now this is weird. So here we can probably do Python 3.13 DPL.py run, I don't know, 12. No, that doesn't exist anymore. 16 would be good. Although I haven't built that yet. Yep. So, probably, why not? Hey, look, it works. So what we need to do in counter and is display the why not counter? So like display the PID. I know that it's exposing info on DPL lib core. What did I just? Well, that was yeah. I haven't slept definitely. It's not here. It's in Varproc. Varproc lib core. Varproc. Yeah, focus PID. So it's in internal attribute. So in the counter, we can go print the PID. So before we start looping, so IO print and PID, and usually just print underscore meta.internal.pid. So now we can, yep, there's the PID. So we can go here in this, then we can go Python 3.13. I run up to run counter. And this is counter. Counter, not call counter. So how do you do that? Was it like what the hell, cups? How to make a program run the background patch? Seriously? Da, da, da. If you know switches back run background, not literal background, in the background like in bash, bam. No, hop, no. So back in the background in bash, like a bash. Useless piece of crap. And I guess I'll have to do that. Start. P. What's it? Start. Also, to minimize it, okay, so min the Python 3.15 DPL that file run counter.dpl. Finally, we have this happening. So now that we have that, now we can is there like a kill. Why can't I kill? How can I kill the program? Like, so like task kill. Okay. Yeah, weird. Task kill. What was the PID again? I printed the PID. Task list. Task list. There's only like some running Python anyway, so is it the PID? There's among the 200. Maybe it's a Python one. Python. 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 Ah, there. I was going to can you just 3156 task kill 3156. Thank you. What's that then? You've got there is another one. 3584. 3584. PIT 3584. Finally, we're free from that hell again. So now we can do this, and it prints the PID, and then we can go task kill slash PID 12116. You can't, so now we do this, and now it stops counting. Good, good. So well, there's no other viewer. Oh, there's 3 other viewers. Huh. So anyways, how should I haven't like, yeah, I need to like have like some, oops, like, no, 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 preferences. Wait. Oh, we actually have that. Whoops. Then we can open it. References. Let's see. So does this work? Yep. Good. So we can like turn to what preview what turn to var. So 90. Then we pass the reference to this function. So now what happens if we try to return a reference? Run the test, and so like we go set var is equal to 90 and return var ref. So now if we go call it, so like set res is equal to test. Oh no, we can't do that. What we can do is do this test. Bam. Then I'll print and res. Oops. What the hell is wrong with my keyboard? So there's that. Now if we go set ref, what with res. So like now if we set it to 80, it should raise an error. It should also print the I don't have objects right now. You don't have objects in here? Okay, so objects. So close this. Oh, no. Objects. Reference. Name. So value. Scope. So now we can go res. Great. It's not. That's not how it's supposed to go. Okay. In good. Clear that. So of course it's not here, but it's here in PyParser. Set. Nice. I'm trying to fix a bug where it's supposed to error out when a reference is not in the same thing. Disable and reference copy IP reference is a binary lived. It's Yeah, definitely. It's erroring out. Like, let me just disable the package. Disable the package real quick. Disable package. Yes. LSP. Uh, pi. Pi. LSP. LSP is. Where is the. Yes, this one. There we go. Finally. Whew. Finally. So, what's happening in here? So, this should always. Just. So, that should error out, but the problem is it's not. What the hell? So right now, maybe we can go print reference scope and then the length of frame. So it's 2 3. 2 3, what? Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Of course it is. And also, when we make a reference here in arguments, justify. Like we don't set the reference tab, so we're near. So our bar reference, so it should our bar. That's it. This reference bar. So so tab. Uh, we don't set this others. There's the scope ID, view ID. So this should be the top. Always the top. So when we make this, so let's go to that. Now print ln var var. So that should print 2. So here it is, 90 in scope 2. Wait, what? This should be an that should be an index. Why is it? Hmm, hmm. The scopes are not scoping. Where there goes my scope detect my reference Shaisa. Arguments my parser. Where are you? What? Oh, there. Set ref. Damn. Reference name is invalid. Mail can't live. So that should have. Why are you not working? Ah. So now here or reference scope ID is not equal to the target scope ID. So we're gonna go frame reference scope ID. But it's not gonna be scope ID. It's scope. Just scope UUID. So it's not equal to reference scope ID. So bam. So it's scope UUID. Whoops, it's not scope ID. It's scope UUID. Scope UUID. UUID. Oh, actually, whoops. Accidentally triple comparison. I am lacking sleep. What? Ah, yeah, that's definitely defying my expectations. What do you mean that new frame meta review? So yeah, we'll do that, and then scope UID. So it's so global scope will just disappear, and then in here is when we go new scope. We always go stir UUID for the scope UID, so it's always unique to that scope and that scope only. The problem is it's not updating properly. So what in the actual frick? I'm gonna go crazy on this. So why it worked? That's the problem. So let me just post this one. Warp Rock. So this scope UID and top scope. So elements. So when we do this, we're getting from the top. So what's happening? Top. Bugs. The worst bugs are logic ones because you don't know how they work. It looks like it works, but it also doesn't. Why? Just what? Huh? We don't need tags, do we? Hmm. Nah. Mm, fine. We're just gonna do that. We're not. Yeah, we're not supporting this syntax anymore. We're just gonna let the user do some stuff. So that tag will always be like, yeah, empty dictionary. So full name that, so we get full name there, and then bam, boop, it, pop, and then, so this still works. This should not work because just like in C, you can't return an address inside a local scope of a function because when that function exits, that reference is now invalid. It's now pointing to a different it's now pointing to different data, not the original local scope of of that function. So this reference should return an error. So that's the problem. So we're returning a reference of this variable. So what we're gonna do instead is we're gonna go here in PyParser, go here and the arguments. So what we're gonna do, if any, oh, that's the problem. How do I use any again? Python help any. So like if it's true for any of the iterable. Okay, good. So we're gonna make a generator. So like we're gonna go is instance x x objects dot reference object reference type reference type objects at reference type for x in args. We're gonna go return error dot type error. So we're gonna go error dot error. So it's host file um, function returned an error a reference to so oh, we don't need that because we'd have to collect that. So reference perhaps they were supposed supposed to be the reference function return the reference, a reference. So now we can just bam. Now it's a key return result. We did return like an error. So in here, when we in arguments, so f all just so like if run with that. So we're gonna go raise DPL error dot DPL error error the error. So do this bam bam. Oh, DP out. There's no underscore. Okay, gotcha. Bam. So DPL error. Oh, it's okay. It's Pascal. It's Pascal case. Gotcha. Bam. So see. Function returned a reference, perhaps they were supposed to be the reference line 22 in main 22, this part. So now that works quite aggressively, but still works. And we can probably make this much more faster in future stuff because yeah. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Just here. So we can check here. Is reference var. So I did just rename that, which is good. It's reference var. Is it robot? No, it's not robot. It's just that for x and r's. Not preprocessing error. We're gonna go return a type error. Error. What the frick? Error. Dot free error. Pause. File. Return statement has. Well, return statement returns a reference. So that should be caught in pre-runtime. What? Bypass the. Oh. Instances are. Is. Oh. Oh. Whoops. Need to do. Is. Reference var x. Oh, it's outpost. Yes, the return statement returns a reference file this. So it's this that it works. So now we can replace it with preprocessing type error. Okay, so like this. So we can go and I guess that works. So now here in PyParser we no longer need to like have this line. Oh no, actually we still need this because there's a case where you can go set ref var ref So now you stored it in this variable, but the case that we made here in the pre-runtime, like before actually anything actually runs. So this check only checks if there's a syntax of like var ref, so it won't detect if we like do this. So since this stores the reference, this still returns the reference, but now it's in a different syntax. Now it will just be a runtime error. As you can see, I don't need to do that. So like we'll have to like keep track of a hierarchy, well basically a type system, but not I am very much very lazy right now to implement a type checker. Also, I might have to end the stream soon because also references and stuff not sure not work anymore. So now also now if we just do that, there we go. We're changed from 80 to 90. So there we go. So like the reference like has some attributes. Actually we can go dump vars dump var the reference, and you will there we go. So like you can like what the hell. Yep, it is my programming language. So yeah. So there's the scope UID. I should really fix this. It's not good. So the name and the value, and this name is the full name. So like if I pass in like a reference of a value of an object, so like object a person, so like we have a person and then this is person dot var, I can pass the reference of person dot var. So and it will print the full name, and as you can see it still works. So like if I now go dump vars and go person, it it prints stuff. I removed some stuff already. Set in Discord. Just a second, I'll have to fix this stuff. Just a second. Why is it still here? I deleted this in the latest. Oh, whoops. You will be. It's just a ton of practice. This didn't happen overnight. This is like years of experience. Then, you better do your homework, bro. 101 make objects. 101. Music type. What is it now? So take expected at most 1. Argument got 3. Because of this. Ah. Oh no, because this is like a different. You've got to be kidding me! Well, good luck on your homework, bro. Reference function, so this already works. Like, can we like do like an underscore? We already have, we can just go underscore name. So we can just there we go. So now I can go here and go F, and then go here and go self underscore name. Oh yeah, this works in Python 3.2 now. Bam. So what's this error now? Oh, it's in the function now. Okay, gotcha. It's here, make function, type. Do, and then there, this one. Function. No, no, that should be clear now. So, bam, that should work. Yep. So, dump. Where's the dump? That bam. Oh, it's this one. Should really fix that pretty quick. So this one. What time is it? Oh damn, it's almost that. So some stuff. Actually, I can just. What are we doing? I can just go. What? Oh, because it's a type, but let's see. Oh, wait. So, okay, how to go here? Go. Oh, and enum. We have enums now. Forgot about that. So now you can only have like that. Good. So now here we can go set test for. So like here we can it's person. So person like name is equal to like my name. I'm gonna it's in my GitHub anyways. I can change that stuff. So now bam. So why is it nah, it's not I have to change that now. So like parse dictionary. So the arguments, it's not args is equal to r process args frame args. You've got to be kidding me. That's now there we go. It works. Presenting into 80. Well, why is it 80 though? Let's change it like Anjo. So like I saved it. What do you mean? It's what the hell? What the hell? Oh hell! Oh hell no! That's fine. So previous file, then you can just go reference dot value. Oops. Oh, Andrew from Darren. Okay. So it works, hooray! So we can just new file. So we can go here new. Oh, whoops. We can new file. So in here we can like put a bam. So like now it will turn into Andrew, but if we give it like a name, so like Carl, it will use that. God help me. God help me. So new bug. Call. Okay, this function. So instead of doing this loop, we do it here before. Same for the catch. Bam. Finally. Bam. So now I can go here like go up. So from that into Anju and then into Carl. Oh no. Anju, so into Anju from Darren and then into Carl from Anju. What do you mean? it's missing. It's not missing. You've got to be kidding me. But it's still what you've got to be. Yeah, so that doesn't work. So previous one. Still, so I guess we're just gonna go set new value is equal to reference deref. Ah, listed object is not unsuitable. What do you mean? I hate programming in my own programming language. Mhm. Boom. So what's happening with this? So there's anything. So this prints done. This should be what? But it's a ah. Why are you like this, DPL? Looks like it works, and then it throws the expectations away. Like why? So call a function. So defaults. So okay, and then we do this, which is this to say. Why? No. Why? Why would it change? If there is non-break, why would it be fun? Oh, new. So, consistent new system. No, it's why? Why are you not working? How about if I do it the other way around? No, it still does not work. Why won't you work? Ouch. Why won't you work? Why won't you work? Uh, because this will replace you. Damn, I hate DPL. Let it be. Let it be. So that should give us an error. Got this unexpected. Expected to arguments for cut one argument. So we're gonna go on Andrew on this one, and bam! Andrew, into Andrew from Darren, into Carl from Andrew. So that works. And why must you do it? Like, why must you? Why must you do it? Like, why must you do me like this? Why? It almost works. It almost works. So like if I go fn test and hello, we are back again. var naval set ref. Wait, did I do it correctly? Like the set ref? Yeah, I did. It's so what if I just go set ref reference new one? So it doesn't work. Why? Why won't it work? So Andrew. So and then Carl. But why is it Andrew? It's scope one. The fuck you mean scope one? Huh? Huh? I'm suffering here. What the hell? What do you mean scope one? What do you what? What do you mean scope one? You're just changing the value and setting the score. Why won't you work? Why won't you work? Why? Why won't you work? Why won't you work? Why am I scolding a damn laptop? So it does update here, but it does not update the reference because somehow this little shit turned into one. Why would you turn into one? Why? What? Why? Now it's two. What the fuck? Why is it one? So, why is it one? Why? 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 The community left frame. Len frame negative 1. 1. Good game. Good game. あ、これ見て。0, 7, 1. 0, 0, 2. Set up, what the fuck? Alright, let's see. How do you have to oh wow wow oh da na 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 na. So this even this can't be trusted anymore. Why won't you work? Unless no, 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 don't tell me. No, 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 on. That's a new keyword that should be in here. Your stream is delayed by at least 2 minutes, more than 2 minutes, bro. You should change that. Yeah, I can't just do that. I need to go more balls. So manually. Wait, no, actually. Wait, what? Arguments. Workload. Do I like really need that? Frame. Like, I'll try funk this and then we'll try parser. This called, yeah, it's global, so it's global sound. Globals. Yeah, let me go in. Okay, what was it again? Scope ID. What? We don't pop the no. It, it works now. So, hmm, hmm. So now, very good. Yay. So now if I do like a for like a loop or like 100 and like 1,000 that, yeah, it won't run out of memory. Like especially if I just hold down 0. It's still printing, by the way. It's still printing. So like if I remove the printing and if I didn't fix the memory thing, let me just remove this too. Alright, actually that's a good like indicator, like scopes, because the scope ID is the number of scopes. So every time if I remove this line, so like if I put this in here and comment this out, and as you can see it's already lagging a bit. So if we go here, remove a few zeros, make that like at least like less than million, because my it's lagging. Oh no, my piece. Yep, now it's fast again, and look at that, it finished with a one with 1,100 scopes. You know how much that is? That's a ton. That's a ton. Like if we get like print out and underscore like e-catch um like the size and then the unit um meta dot internal dot get size of. So is it in get size of? It's in runtime. Get size of purple preferences. Get size of. So if we give like frame stock, was it a frame stock or stock frame? Yeah, it's frame stock. So if I do that, it's already using 8 kilobytes. 8 kilobytes. So now if I remove this, make it even more faster. It's not a compiled language. It's not. It's trust me, it's not a good idea to do. I made a programming language in Python that is compiled. Assembly is hard. Assembly is hard, and I don't want to use C because then it's just another C programming language under the hood. I don't want to do that. Like, oh damn, that's slow. No, 85 kilobytes. Just 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, and it's already like 85 kilobytes. Even with LLVM, I don't want to like bloat too much. That's very ironic of someone who uses Python. Because LLVM based programming languages are often very big, but yeah. Plus, I'm not that good in compiled programming language design, so yeah. I can only make interpreted programming languages. Maybe in C I can, like make a Lua killer. But yeah. Plus, I'm not good that much in programming languages, because look at this. Does this look optimized to you? Does the memory usage look optimized to you? Look at that. 85 kilobytes. 85 kilobytes. Okay, 85 kilobytes. Like that's like what let's try that. So like 85.17 what? Point one. So why am I not using this? No 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 no. Where's the clear? Clear. Where's the clear? Where's the where's, what the hell? Where is it? Can't I look standard? There. Clear. 76. Oh no, 85. 85.176. And then multiply by 1,000. So that's like no. Make it like, so that's, wait, no, I made a wrong mistake. So like that's anyways, ignore that calculator. Just wait a second. I need to check something. So anyways, I am back. So can I see like your programming language, because you did mention that you have one, and I'd be delighted to see it, and maybe even contribute to it if I could. So yeah, it's not good enough. So like if I just increase this by like 5,000, it's not good. It's not good. Like if I do 20, would it be enough to push it 50? Would it be enough to push it to the? That's half a megabyte now. That's half a megabyte. Another 10. We're nearing. So like if we did 100,000, so that's now a full kilobyte. Yeah, or yeah, no, that's almost. I mean megabyte, not kilobyte. So like if we go, we're definitely testing Python's memory handling here. There it is, 1 megabyte with this 130 loops. Good thing I did spot that bug though. So that's like a very basic mistake to do. So now it should just, it would be slower. And look at that. Like we did like 130 loops and now it's just 88 bytes. Not even kilobytes, bytes. So yeah, like you can fit like how much? Like if we like if we did like 124. It's not my memory handling, it's Python. It's automatic basically. I didn't need to worry about that. But it's still big, too big for us, for like a scope, because it should just be references and stuff. So 124 divided by like 88, so we get that. So you can like have 11 like scopes in a single kilobyte. So like yeah, so like you can call this like 11 times. Let's do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and it would still not fail because it closes the scope after. This basically raised it by 1. Why did I do that? That's weird. So anyways, there's also like a local keyword. So like Bartok, no, it's in, so, local. It's, yeah, there it is. So like you provide the function object, and then you need to manually like, you should know about the arguments and stuff. So like we're going to go set ref, no, set ref at reference. So like the reference would be like person dot name ref, then set, oops, forgot the, now here set the new value to like Andrew. So like this would be very what's the state object is not scriptable, where reference because it's what now? What now? What now? Oh, because it sets the no, not now. Oh, Python. Not the original one. I made a second, like a sequel one. It's much more customizable, but I actually kinda hate it. It's actually here. Um, it can import Python files directly without using a helper function. The only problem is that it uses regex. So if you have like if you have like a syntax error, it will just carry it to Python. It won't detect that it had a syntax error in the first place. So like yeah, it's and when you have errors, you it doesn't point to the original line where it was in the Python source. So like if I went here in Python 2 and like here in examples, so like my tongue up by so like this is like it does no it's doesn't right. So like this is example Python code, and yes, I do have custom syntax highlighting for it. So like yeah, here it even has like support for for like type hints like this. So the only problem is that you can even define the entry point right here. So like the only problem is that yeah, it uses regex under the hood. So like if we it's a single line, by the way, it's a single file, sorry, not line, file. So like oops. Oh, it's oh that's why it's overlapping a bit. So yeah, it uses regex for the tokens, which I hate like a ton. So yeah, and here's the built-in macros. It's literally just yeah. Also, why did I add that? That's just cringe. So yeah, like also this is so where is it where I forgot where here. Yeah, regex is it's just a pain in the head, but that's also what helped me like like have custom syntax highlighting for DPL. So like look at this colorful code. So yeah, so I also wrote regex for the syntax highlighting of this thing, and it's a head. What is this? Why is it? What? That's new. That's new. What? Huh? Huh? How? 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 Python syntax. What? Huh? 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 Not. No. 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 That's what? Huh? Oh. Oh. Variable function. This is very useful actually if we support function built-in. So the built-in is like right here. Well, anyways, let's go back to here. So like yeah, it even supports like writing Python code for the macros, so you can process it even more. And also yeah, the class and construction and destructor stuff, and include comments. Yeah, and you can like transfer comments if you need it. And then there's the static types, which allows MyPy to do static type checking, which makes Python to look even more monstrous. On no, monstrous. So this actually compiles to what is it? Temp.5. Oh, I enjoy your dinner. So like if I put control P on this, would it? Oh damn, that's oh. Oh, what happened? My types. Wait, what is my types? My types. My types. My types. My types. My types. What the hell? My types. What? No way. Uh huh. Wow. Actually. Oh, standalone type quality. There's this and my types. So, hey there, Yelly. So, how have you been? I forgot that there was like a minute of like delay. Oh, did you message me? Mm. Oh, you did. I did not see. Why am I so casual? Because they're not seeing my face, but I'm actually reacting. I'm just talking and talking and talking. Actually, why not? I should open the camera. The camera, the camera. So, and because of it very high, can I lower it even more? There we go. So, I don't have a good camera, and that's the problem. I'm looking at the screen right now, and it looks like I'm looking at the top of the camera, which I am. Problem is, yeah, it's not good, but it's fine. I mean, how have you been? I am fine, very much fine. Shh, I'm fine. I am fine. I think I am. Yeah. I'm not doing that good. And my headache is gone. Bro is like, I am fine. Do not worry. I am fine. I am breathing for now. Um, I am alive. I'm not chasing a stick. Na 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 na. Now, this is what it looks like when you have ADHD. Either you hyperfocus, or you talk too much, or you explain too much, or you overcomplicate things too much, or you just sing randomly because, I don't know, you like to sing. Your chats are your chats are like a minute late. And then put this back. So now it's just gonna be test. Also, when I'm typing now, it looks like my hands are gigantic. I'm crazy. Okay, V. Do this, do that. Replace this with Andrew. Bam! It's not my fault. Have you adjusted? Have you tried adjusting like the time that you're watching right now? I'm not slow. What the hell? Look. You can literally, I can literally look at the second desktop. Like here. Excellent connection. Look at that. Excellent connection. Yeah, it's not my fault for being slow, bro. There was like 6 viewers at the same time. I don't believe that shit. Anyways, no, so let me just adjust this. Why does it work? No, not that one. This one. There we go. There. There. So now, where was I? So this one. Instead of a boom. It works. So first it was Darren, it was this one, and then Andrew, and then Carl. That works. Yay. Woo! My torment is finally done. I just good right there. So yeah, it works. Woo! Yes. Um, I am I am stressing over so much right now because this programming language is like a year old and it's still filled with buggity buggy bugs. I'm surprised I don't have iBugs yet. Like, how don't I have iBugs yet? Well, I'm about to have iBugs. So, is this... Uh, it can sound funny, like... I don't know. I'm not a witch. I'm a warlock, okay? I'm a warlock, not a witch. Yes! Finally, we're clearing up the names of this freaking programming language code-based stuff. I thanks. No other? Okay, so now just go temp lock. Nice one! Nice one! Sugoi by set decrement increment ratatatata. Alright, what's why would we need O1? I'm on a stream. Didn't I like configure out preferences settings like space trim true yeah good so I goodbye. I will end the stream anyways right now cause grandma might be on the way home right now, so to y'all who are still watching, yeah, I need to go now, sadly. And I will just, before I leave, I will just, I will, but not the stream. Now I just have to go. See y'all the next time that I stream. Tomorrow, next month, maybe next year, who knows? Stay tuned. I will post, like, you know, post on YouTube about DPL and stuff. Also, check, please check the website. And my DPL, I think, is linked to my, like, in my, what was it again? Bio, I think, or about page in YouTube. Or, yeah. Yeah, I gotta go. Bye.